What's sweet, creamy, and great for all over exfoliation? This sugar scrub. I'm Katie, and if you want to learn how to make it, keep watching. To begin, combine the oils, shea butter, emulsifying wax, and stearic acid into the prepared double boiler. Once all ingredients are melted, remove them from the heat and whisk them together to ensure mixture is homogenized. Set your melted ingredients aside to cool to a temperature around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. When the proper temperature is reached, add in your vitamin E oil, Germaben 2 preservative, and fragrance oil. Today I'll be using Red Velvet Cake fragrance. Stir and follow up by adding your sugar and mica powder. Use a spatula to fold the sugar in and create a creamy paste-like consistency. Transfer the sugar scrub into the tightly sealable packaging containers using a spatula. Just like that, the sugar scrub is done. To use, just scoop some over into your hand and scrub gently over wet skin. This will give the product a lotion-like texture with the just the right amount of exfoliation. It costs us about $6 to make 16 ounces of this scrub. The amount can be sold wholesale for $8 to $12 and retail for $15 to $20. If you enjoyed this product, check out our DIY playlist for more just like it. We made an awesome body butter that would pair great with this scrub in your line of products. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode of AFI's DIYs. If you want to support our channel and see more content just like this, give us a like and subscribe. Ring that bell icon to become a member of our notification squad and never miss an update from us. I'm Katie, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye for now.